Next, we're going to remove the locking block and this slide stop lever. This pin right here holds this assembly in place along with the locking block. So first we're going to drive this pin out. This roll pin. Take your hammer. It's coming loose. It goes through the trigger guard. See? It comes through the trigger guard. There you go. Perfect. So I'm going to set that aside. Now we are going to pull this spring off. In order to do that, I like to pull the loop out, pull down. That leg right there goes into the frame. This little leg. This leg, the long leg, goes into the slide stop. I'm going to set that spring aside. Now I can pull this loose. This should slide out with some persuasion. There you go. Perfect. Set that aside. This silver half moon thing, you push out. So push it. You usually have to punch it out with a hammer, but like I said, I've taken this apart a couple times already. Push that out. This is your locking block. Put your punch in here. Pull this way. Do not hammer it that way, or you will break this frame here and here. So always remember, pull down and away. Then you can push it out. Pull it out. And you've pulled off the locking block.